Hi everyone, good morning. Imran with you today with a new video on installing WordPress on Cpanel. Uh, you don't need to be in this video. In very simple step. You'll be learning how to install WordPress in Cpanel. Let me just get into I have already logged into my Cpanel. The only one option that we'll be using is basically Softiculous option under your Cpanel. This Cpanel area I'm using SiteGround hosting. That is the reason you'll be able to see this old kind of dashboard. But if you are actually using any other hosting, your dashboard could be the cpanel dashboard could be a bit different, but features remains same. So you just need to look for Softiculous option. Usually it will be on top or it will be at the bottom. So I'll just click on to Softiculous. ठीक है. Now, in order to install this WordPress, I have already created a domain, subdomain. You need to be having either a domain and or a subdomain. You can check the videos on how to buy a domain and how to create a subdomain in the description link. Today we'll be installing WordPress onto a subdomain. If you see here, the moment when I have been into my installation of WordPress, it is giving me a certain option under Softiculous. I'll just click on to WordPress and then I'll click on to install. Now it will straight away get into the installation window. The first thing it is going to ask you software setup. In software setup, the latest version is 5.4. I'm not going to install if you just need to select your version, leave it by default. Second thing is choose installation URL. Now I'll be choosing installation URL demo.sharif.org. If you see here, I have just created this domain for this purpose only. And usually when you are using Big Rock or Bluehost or HostGator web hosting, so you'll be able to see a WP option available here. So please make sure that do not leave this as it is. You need to be removing this option from this little in directory box. Otherwise, your complete installation will happen in WP box or any other name it has been here. So rather than the root domain subdomain that you will be having it. So make sure that you don't when you remove this option and make sure the in directory box is empty. Let us just move on to the site settings part. Now site setting is basically what is the name of the site you want to give it. Now I will leave it to default itself. I'm not going to play around with this option. Later on we can go down and change from the administration panel. The second options are admin account. Now in admin account, this is very essential. This will be and this is very good options that you will be able to log in with these details after the installation, so that you can create pages, you can edit or manage your complete site WordPress site. So to do that, I cannot remember this kind of usernames, so I'll make it very easy. I'll just make sure that I'll add my name itself. I'll just say Imran, and I'm going to hide my man's. I'm going to go down and I'm going to change the password. I'm going to make it right now as 1234567. I'm going to change this password. I'm not going to use this password as it is basically not good to have it. Make sure that you have a strong password. Okay. And I'm going to have my uh, original email. If you see that, it means I don't have admin at the rate demo.sharif.org. But this email, otherwise it will this will consider as an account email address. So I'm going to remove and I'm going to add my email address. Okay. And language. Now, whichever language WordPress has good amount of knowledge and languages. Whichever language you want to install WordPress into, you can install it. But in today's video, we'll be installing only English language because I knew only English. Now, in another area is we can also add what to say plugins and other themes and other stuff by using advanced option. But however, I'm not going to go down and install anything, and I don't want even this website starter. I'm just going to go down and I'm going to click on to install option. Now usually you'll be seeing a small box down below asking to send the installation details to your specific email address. You can mention the email and then click on to install. You just, okay, I haven't created email address here. Let me just copy this, install. Now the installation process just started. It will take only 1 or 2 seconds. Usually it will not take much time. So means in this area, this is basically a very simple guide. You can go down and install and launch your website as fast as possible. You don't need to worry. So if you have any question related to WordPress installation, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. So till this installation, yeah, if you see that the installation is done, so let me just go down and I'll click on to this URL, and I'm able to see the WordPress install. If you see that my website is actually live. This is how you can also bring your website live and start presenting up your content to the people onto internet. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon to receive new or latest updates, video updates. Till then, take care. Bye.